YouTube? Walking Essay here, and today I just want to walk y'all through how I was able to make $500 trading Tesla in a single day. So let's get right into it because this could probably help a lot of y'all out if like anyone finds this video or like knowledge useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so you may be thinking, how was I able to make $500 in a single day like trading Tesla? And I'm not gonna sit here and like bullshit you and waste your time. This is exactly how I was able to do it. So step one, I had to analyze price action. I had to look at the stock. I had to look at what it's doing, how it's behaving. Step two, I had to scout for a good position. And step three, I had to plan a good entry and exit. So I'm going to walk y'all through how I analyze price action. Right here on the right, this is the option order that I chose. So that's step two, scout for a good position. On Thursday, I hopped in a $1,200 call for $1,500, roughly $1,600. So around like 11:30, one contract filled for $1,585. So let me walk y'all through how I analyzed price action. Alright, so here we are. I've outlined Thursday's price action on TradingView. So we start off the day. So by the way, this is the 1 minute chart. So this is like Tesla. All of these little candles, they each represent a minute throughout the entire trading day. So the day started around here, around $1,000 and $1,054. So just follow the price action. It's over here on the right side. Just follow if you're new. But so the price action I noticed was attempting to break out to reach new levels, to break above the 1070. So it reached the high of 1076. So I just wanted to be cautious before I jumped in and bought calls or anything like that. And I noticed that the MACD, this is a technical indicator. It can help me predict price action. I noticed that this is a little hot, so I wanted to see what would happen. So I just kind of let the stock do its thing. So lo and behold, it dips. I noticed that it really starts to dip, and it's trying to recover at the same time. So right around here, I noticed support kinda on a downward trend, but I noticed that it kept bouncing around 1030, 1028, and 1020. So around here, this is the time that I decided to jump in the call because I anticipated that it would recover and fill this gap. So I was expecting this to bounce and go up, but it just bounced at a later time and continued to climb up. So what ended up happening is I jumped in right around here and I just held. And what happened, it tried to break 1040. It got rejected. I started to panic around here, around when it dropped to 1020, because this was the lowest point of the day. But you know me, I got those diamond hands, so I just held it. And yeah, it turned out pretty good because stock bounced. It broke that 1040 resistance. Yeah, got up to 1046, just bounce. It closed around 1060, but I sold around like 1065. I had a stop loss for around 1063. So yeah, that was basically how I like was able to like analyze price action. Now this is live too, so like these candles don't form until like a minute goes by. So like imagine not being able to see like any of this. So it can be pretty intense, like trying to figure out a good entry point, because you could be like me, like again, I got in like right around here at like this bounce, but like it rose and then it dipped again. So like this would have been, so let me delete these. Down here, this would have been like the like primal spot to get in. And that's something else like that I've noticed. So I watch like Tesla charts a lot. At like midday, there's always a reversal. Well, not always, but like more than likely, like there's a change in like direction. So like just look how it peaks up here, it goes down in the middle. This is around like noon, and then boom, spends like the rest of the day like recovering from like the like morning dip. But yeah, so that's price action. So yeah, that was the price action for Thursday, April 7th, 2022. Again, this is what it looks like on my Robinhood account. So like the stock, it like broke out, then it hits a top, and then it dove down. Then it bottomed out around here, around like 1020, but I chose to jump in my like call, my $1,200 call, right here. And then like lo and behold, it like started to recover, and it closed at about 1060 for the day. But me, you know, I like to secure profits. I like to keep my money, you know, like holding overnight can be pretty dangerous, especially in this market. Like you will get clapped, like secure profits always. So what ended up happening, this is the results of the contract. In one day, I got a 32% return, made $518. So the contract is worth like $2,100 now. I had a stop loss set for, I think like 2050. So this is like roughly 500. But yeah, like the most important thing is to always secure profits, because now you'll have more options if the stock continues to fall, which it has, by the way. So this is like recorded over the weekend. This same contract right now is around, I think like $1,200. So I got out at a pretty good time. Like I low-key could probably hop in on Monday and like get it at a cheaper price and ride it back up to this price point and just secure profits again. And that's the beauty of like understanding stocks and like knowing how to trade, because you can really seize opportunities when they present themselves like this. So yeah, that's my plan again. I just like said, like I might exit and look for a better position next week. So yeah, if you're interested in learning about the stuff that I'm talking about, like trading options, what is it, if you want to understand it better, learn like technical analysis, check out this course, Stock Market Beginner Bundle. The link is in my bio. It's over 70 pages. It covers options trading and gives you a general overview of the stock market. So yeah, that's all for today, everyone. Thank you, and have a good one. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Walking Asset here, and I'm out. Peace.